Mr. Bicolano loves watching movies, inspirational videos, making TikTok videos, socializing with people, be with nature, traveling, taking selfie and playing mobile games. What a great way to find relaxation through the digital platform. Once again, Mr. Ligawa Bye. Mr. Naga City spent his time dancing, singing and watching anime. I guess I'd like to join him doing activities. What do you think? Once again, Mr. Naga City. Dancing, traveling, and sharing thoughts about 1987 Philippine Constitution. He must be a bookworm who had a lot to share to the community. You got it, Mr. Billy! Loves working out, traveling, hiking, playing in basketball and stretching and watching movies. He must be very productive in a very good way. What are your thoughts? Here we go, Mr. Naga City! Masaya na ang problema na nakama sa mga aking daan na merong lumya na may problema sa pagkakanan. Here you go, Mr. Naga City is into community services, teaching and watching movies and attending leadership program. What a qualities of a great leader you have, Mr. Iriga! There you go, Mr. Balatan loves watching science-oriented vlogs and documentaries, doing TikTok contents and acting. Cheers, what to go, Mr. Balatan! Sasabi ko ay masaya na walang problema na nakakama sa Mr. Legaspi Albay loves movies, singing, playing basketball and dancing. No doubt his athletic looks reflect the way how he showcases productivity. You got once again Mr. Legaspi Albay! Mr. Bumi is into home workout, loves cooking, hosting, watching news, a student leader in the chess since junior high school until he graduated in college. What an impressive background, Mr. Bumi! Is into live streaming and making TikTok contents. I hope you upload more contents for the Bicolano to see Mr. Liwi Albay. Mr. Nabwa Pamarisur loves to sing and is artistic in nature. Recently learned how to dance in 2019 through workshop and enjoyed doing hip-hop dance challenges since then. He has a great interest in volunteer works as a first aider since college. Mr. Nabwa! There you go, Mr. Source of Province. the founder of the DepEd Association of Visual Artists of Sorsogon and organizes art events like free art workshop, exhibits, competition for young artists in his province. What a great artist you are, Mr. Sorsogon Province! Mr. Tinapong loves to play guitar, sings well and watches investment-related videos. You can be a millionaire you wish you are in the future. Once again, Mr. Tinapong. Sasabi ko ay masaya na walang problema na Mr. Magalipot of my Joyce organization, either from school or barangay organization, and is into outdoor activities, K-drama and anime. Wow! There you go, Mr. Magalipot of my. You know guys, Mr. Tinapong loves singing, cooking, watching K-drama. Such a wonderful way to reduce tension while at the comfort of his hometown. Stay relaxed, Mr. Karakoy. Mr. Doma loves playing basketball and badminton, watching action and inspirational movies as well as playing all of games. Go, 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 Mr. Nabwa Kamarinisur! Mr. Buhi is into reading books, cooking, watching sci-fi movies, and playing volleyball. He's also into climbing trees. What a good way to help the mother nature. Once again, Mr. Buhi! Ligao City is into arts, craft, traveling and listening to music. It may look so simple, but this is how he relaxes himself, especially at this time. Bring it on, Mr. Ligao City! Mr. Naraduanes loves calculating math problems, drawing, working out, and watching Game of Thrones and Naruto. What an interesting hobby it was, Mr. Naraduanes! Mr. Magarao is into singing, playing basketball, coaching a basketball team, especially for grassroots. He must be a promising coach, Mr. Magarao! Mr. Maspan is into photography, traveling, arts and crafts. What an interesting habit that he was. Hope you join us on your journey, Mr. Masbate.
show it to the public. So with that, I think our misters really deserve our big round of applause. So yun. Now,